Look at me. Wow, what of it? Smile.
Yo, look on me.
What?
Look on me. Take that to your girlfriend right now. Look on me. Turn your face to me, man.
Hello?
Yo, Brittany. We say I want to take your phone up and if you right now, call you up.
Okay.
Yo,
Okay, just please let me know, please.
I want to shut the mouth and listen to what you talk. Hear me? You have a boyfriend in front of you and you have 24 hours to live. So you give that 24 hours, I want 10 million. Sorry, I want $50 million. See, you call it up on a location, no love chatting, no asking no question. When you see your preference, say something to your girl right now, boy.
Yeah.
That's all you're here for now. 24 hours. Counting? No. I'm sure. You see if she not come through. You see if she not come through you. Anyhow she not come through, that's the head now and back. Wait. I don't see nothing. Hey boy, you see if your girlfriend not come through, they have to send your head now and bam. Know that.
every day I get up and ask me for money. What if me never win a lottery? What would I do? If man go road and come back, me never gamble money or what? I think go road and then come back.
Yeah. B.
Yeah.
B.
Yeah.
Yeah. A bit cheap on the chair. Yeah. I get this then. If I sit here and then.
I buy them, but then I reach as it. And me I plan to move from the place here. So, I'll reach in another place.
Bigger place.
Talking nice, I'm like, look here.
Big place. Big money. Big place.
Stop it nice. The reason I'm buying them stuff there because you know, say necessarily I have already. Now we got the next place in the empty, some of the stuff I other things I can put in there. Coming down to an empty place.
Can I do something?
What else?
Can get 1 million.
One who?
1 million.
What?
1 million. 1 million.
1 million rubber? Kick?
You know what I'm saying, man. You know me a business I deal with, man.
1 million rockstone? You
Yeah,
say 1
I
million?
a millionaire, you know, eh?
Me a millionaire, but I don't know what you're talking about. I'm going to buy 1 million.
I borrow $1 million from you.
You know what? You better go to the kitchen, there, go share some nice food and cook. Is there?
So now you mean be a millionaire now you go so.
Me a millionaire, me can't take my money and waste it like that. Every day you go up on the road, you come back, you ask me for money. Where you do the money, the money I give you?
Business man.
Business. And every day you go up on the road, right? You go out, you come back, you broke. Me give you money, you go up on the road, and I know where you do, what kind of business.
Then you have to invest in a business when you talk about, man.
Invest in what? What kind of business? You're talking about business. Me not see the business, you're talking about the business idea.
Alright, done. Alright.
Alright, so you're costing for more things now.
You good man, alright. What you there?
So no most good. Because
No, alright, don't die.
yesterday you come to me, right? You asked me for 100k. I willingly give you that. Last week you asked me for 200 and give you that. And then now you come about 1 mil.
Alright. You hungry now, so. What you say?
Look here, me I come go and say yeah? Because you come like a dream, you come to dream me. Not because I win the lottery that's going to make you deal with me like this. Not
Me
because.
still, but alright.
What if you never have it? What you would have done? You would have think about from after you never have money?
Alright, done.
Because as somebody,
Done.
you look somebody for you once in a day.
Hungry now. Be it, so. Tanya. 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 Come here, man. Come now. Come pull the grill now, man. Pull the grill now. Come here. Hurry up now, man.
Urban coming now?
Yeah, they do. They're coming in the mood right now.
I'm in a mood either. So, which brings way over here now.
Woman on the latch yesterday. I'm just excited for $1 million to invest in a business. I know that she not give me.
So tell me something now. Are she win it or are you win it?
Yeah, next one too. Yeah, she win it, but what?
You can't tell me now and say Brittany not give you no money. She
100.
give you money and you take it and gamble it. You take it and spend it. Go a party and sit. Me know how you stay.
Sister, if you building a man, watch her. She happy can look how much money she win. She win over 60 million now.
So if she win over 60 million, suppose she have things that she want to plan and deal with.
That tell me that she can't give him 1 million out of that. Not even 1 million.
So she not give no money at all.
She give me 100,000. But what them they can do? What that can do?
What them they can do, that means they get more than 100,000.
That can do no. That cannot do anything.
I need to leave the girl with her money.
You see me at that time I never talk to her, you know.
I'm not talking, I'm just speaking the right thing. I don't know what you're talking about.
Right now.
Leave a girl with her money, man.
No man, you can't.
You go and go win your lotto.
Come over here and I think the other part from the fair side.
Another part fair side or the part whosoever side. They say if you humble yourself, probably the girl give you the money. But because you did your force yourself, probably she have test you and give 100,000.
No man, that's not it.
You see them out with the 100,000 then you spend it off. I know you come to me.
You just talk and I listen to it.
Alright, talk.
You just pick up here.
Talk. You can talk.
Listen to me, I say.
You can't. You see me. Me tell us if you talk, are you still you know listen to what me say?
Listen.
I'm listening.
Yesterday, me asked her for 1 million. I invest in our business. And she keep on asking me which business. She not know which business. Doesn't know say me invest in our business.
If I was her, you're my brother. You understand? I know you. And I will because I know you, but if me win so much money and my spouse asks me to such like $1 million, and me would have given, but what kind of business do I want to invest in?
Oh, look at it's on hopes I know. Like
it's not ups, she need to know where you go up, you're going to do. She
don't
want to win.
Sister, listen, man.
You think so 60 million and a heap of money by the time she build a house and by the time she do this and do that, money don't if she don't know what she do. If she keep on take 1 million, win 1 million, 100 and I give you it every time. You're not going to have nothing same way in the future. Just try it. There's a business. What kind of business you open with 1 million now?
No, yes, man. There's no say business. No say business. But I'm not going to now. So here, you can pull out the red eye, you
don't pull out the head?
No, me pull out, man.
You have to go pay me. You have to go pay me for that, you know. Bossy.
Because I want to do it back next week, but I'm probably going to do it for 2 days. So I want to pull out it, man. Yeah, I'm pull out it. I have to come. I use the bathroom in the meantime.
Oh, sis, what's going on?
What's up? I go.
Yes, I see you're eating the mango. Why did you call me and tell me you're giving me mango? Can I take this mango?
Alright, take it. You like the bike one buy?
I love it. I
Okay.
just ran into supermarket a while ago and you know the girls see me and they like your bike and I'm like I like you, you know.
Nice.
Okay. No. What's going on? Why you look so sad? Is it that alien looking boyfriend of yours?
Yes.
Really? What's going on with him? I told you he wasn't that good man. I can look at him. Any human you see looking like alien like that doesn't have human behavior, you know? What is he going on with?
It's like, you might take me for an ATM machine.
Really? What are you talking about? Because you got all that money?
Yes.
What is he? You know, I mean like, he should be appreciative.
This
Look at me.
week-
I
okay,
didn't
this-
want nothing expensive. I just needed a little bike and you gave me the bike and I'm grateful for it.
You cannot like exactly like me give him 200,000 this week, next week 100,000,
Jesus.
other week. Look, me not in you. And then I'll come to me and ask for more money, for more money. It seems like every time you ask for money, the money go up.
He's a businessman, man.
But you might tell me some of the business and I say business you might do.
I don't know. It's like I don't know what to say. I'm so confused right now. I just feel I am a little bit mad, but I am a little bit like maybe it's your fault. Maybe you shouldn't give him the 200,000. You should just put the 200,000 aside, then give him 20,000. When he comes back, you give him another 20,000. Then that way you keep giving him money, but you only give him the 200,000. You know, very smart. You know, because as you know that our great grand uncle was the smartest man alive. So you are from smart breed. Slightly. I mean, I am more smart, but I mean, like, I'm teaching you something, you know.
You know, camera you know.
You know, so I mean, like, you should think about it and you should find a solution to work that out, you know. But I don't really like that guy. I don't really like him. And as I said, he looks like an alien. And I don't know what to say.
Alright.
Okay.
So why you come up here then?
Well, I just came by, come to visit you, see if everything is okay, if I could chill out and maybe get some cool breeze, but apparently the sun is too hot, so I won't tarry too long, you know, I'm just checking up. But
Alright.
sis, as I said, you should take care of yourself and do not let that guy take advantage of you. And on the other hand, you should, I don't know, I don't want to make any comments. So sis, I'm going on the road now. I will shake your hand, but I have nothing to wash mine with. So thank you for the money, okay?
Alright bro, later. I'm close myself. Just want to take one back and
One of them. Smile.
Yo, look on me.
What?
Look on me. Say that to your girlfriend right now. Look on me, man. Turn your face to me, man.
Hello?
Yo, really? We say no one to check your phone, but if you right now, call you up.
Okay.
Yo,
Okay, just please let me go, please.
I want to shut your mouth and listen to what you talk. Hear me? You have a boyfriend in front of you, and you have 24 hours to live. So you give that 24 hours, I want 10 million. Sorry, I want $50 million. See, you call it up on a location, no love chatting, no house, no question. We see you want evidence. Say something to your girl right now, boy.
Yeah.
That's all you're here for now. 24 hours. Counting? No. I'm sure. You see if she not come through. You see if she not come through, you would. Anyhow, she not come through and say, hey, no, I'm back. Wait. Don't say nothing. Hey boy, you see if your girlfriend don't come through, me I go send your head in one bam. Know that.
Yeah, hello?
Alright, no I'm talking. You have the money.
Yeah, me have the money.
Alright.
Yes.
Or more you mean you're from school.
Where?
As a matter of fact, walk come down in Island. Make sure 7 o'clock sharp. You hear that? By 6:59 you're supposed to reach out at school, and by 7 o'clock sharp you're supposed to in Island and walk.
Please don't make no harm.
Yo, stand up, man. Hey, yo, come here, son of man. Yeah, move like you're not comfortable with it.
stand up right there, stand up on the arm thing. Man, on arm move now. Hey boy, go on, well. Good.
Sit down. Look.
The boy don't even know what I'm doing. Alright. How much money I give him? I see him. How much money I give him? 50 million?
Yeah, that you say you want that me have to give him.
I want to give him.
I'm not understand how you get yourself in this situation, yeah.
I say I want 50 million give him.
You know like you're there for.
Take off this. Take off this for me. Go up on the road, go do something, come up there.
What?
Go up on the road, go do something, come. I'm so forward.
But you hardly can walk.
I know, but I'm so forward now. I do something, come back. Yeah.
You have to be careful this time because I'm not have no money to spend.
Man, I'm so
And I got 50 million, could I get one good funeral?
You hear about good funeral?
Still.
Tell us what inside.
What?
Come.
The way it looks. Go on.
So come.
You that, you know. You do a good job. I appreciate the business, you know, man. Yo, anytime you have business like that again, you know what to call.
Yo,
Yeah, David.
damn, man, nobody did this again.
No, man, that's the thing. You know my style already.
Yeah.
I watch it right there, which is it. So I'm going to know.
Yeah, bro. You see, my next 25 minutes.
Yeah.
I go pull up the air place. I got tie me up with the rope, man, so we have up there. And make it look like a kidnap.
Yeah.
See,
That,
50 million for that.
yo, John, 50. Ah, how you know, man? 1 to 10.
No, man.
Watch your time.
What you trying?
25 minutes.
Yeah.